Hey guys, we're here at the 2017 NAMM show with Phil Demmel from Machine Head. It's a pleasure to have you here. I was just, before we did this, I was thinking back to, I heard when Burn My Eyes came out in 94, and that first riff, Davidian, came on, I was like, wow. That blew my mind. That's just one of the best riffs ever, I think.
It is.
So how did you start playing, and how did you start playing in Machine Head? How did that whole thing kind of evolve?
Rob and I played in a band together before he started Machine Head.
Yeah.
He quit my band our band to start the band up, and I instantly became a fan.
Yeah.
It was like, it's great. It was something different and had some good Pantera groove to it and some angry hardcore edge to it too. And so he went off and started that, and I was kind of doing my Violence had ended, and it was a band called Violence, and it had stopped, and I was singing a band called Torque.
Yeah.
And we were basically a Machine Head wannabe band. And we started drop tuning like they drop tune, and we did a record, and it was fun, but I was married at the time, and things didn't quite work out. So opportunity about in early 2002 came that they needed a guitar player.
Yeah.
And it's like, fuck, for 2 weeks, it's just going to be just like a one-time thing, kind of hired gun type of thing, and came in there and I knew all the tunes, so I came in there and killed it, and there was just a good vibe, such a great vibe, and we just, I came home and marriage went to shit, and it's just like, well, these guys were writing Through the Ashes of Empires at the time, and it's like, fuck, man, I want to join this band.
Yeah.
So I did that, man, and we hit it off. Me and Rob have this kinship as far as playing and writing and creating, and know where my role is and where our roles are, and how, of course, over the years, this was 15 years ago, and so
the 14 days turned into 15 years.
There's 2 7-year itches involved there, so it's you figure out how it's just. I mean, being in a band with somebody is a sexless marriage, basically. So you have to go through your therapy.
And you guys are still going strong.
We are, man. We did The Ashes. We did, The Blackening. We did the Locust record.
Yeah.
We did Bloodstone and Diamonds. And so here we are. We're writing number 9 right now.
You're in the process of that?
We are. We're writing and doing a little bit of recording, and it's
cool.
Super exciting.
Do you have a plan when you want to go in the studio and kind of do it for real and everything?
I don't want to divulge too much as to what we're doing
that's
right
cool.
now, but
I won't press that.
But we're in the creative process right now, and it feels good to be in that.
Yeah. And how about touring-wise? Are you guys any plans to come out?
We're not gonna. We want to get this record done and see what happens.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And how about you as a guitar player? How did you kind of start playing, and what were your influences when you started out?
The band Kiss. It was mid-'70s, and Kiss Destroyer just came out. I got my cousin Ron was my next door neighbor. My cousins lived next door, and he had all the records. He had the Foghat records and AC/DC, but this Kiss record just really struck me.
Yeah.
And after seeing it, was like, I don't care what I'm gonna do. I want to be on stage though. And so I got a drum kit and mess with that, but it's just like too many parts, too much stuff going on. That's why I snowboard and I don't ski, because it's just too much going on, too much. So Kiss was the band. Angus Young was the guy that wanted me to play guitar.
Yeah.
He was the guy that you could feel so much emotion from what he's playing. He's pissed off, or he wants to have sex, or he's fucking getting hammered, or whatever, and it's just like you feel him emoting that way.
Yeah.
And I thought that was the coolest thing. And I went through, AC/DC, and I loved Journey. Neil Sean was good, but it was 1981, and Blizzard of the Vase came out.
Yeah.
And it was all about Randy Rhoads. You hear him play, and my first concert was in 1981, and I got to see Randy play on the Blizzard tour. And what sold me on him was just his conviction in his playing. Like, you believed every note he was playing. Yeah. This little 4 nothing guy up, this guitar was taller than him. It's just so much conviction that you just believed him. I'm getting goosebumps talking about it. He's the dude.
And you're playing these to this day as well.
Yeah. I started on the Rhodes Shark Fin because of him.
Yeah.
And then kind of morphed into the King V.
Yeah.
Because I liked the Vs. And The dudes at Jackson, you know, they gave me a signature model.
Hey, it's
you know,
super nice. I was digging it before. It's
so
really
they make
cool.
awesome customs, and Jackson is just killing it for me. So, you know, I just can't see myself playing anything else.
So now for all the gear nerdy guys out here, we kind of went through the guitars. How about amp-wise? What are you using?
Oh, we play the PV 6505s.
Yeah.
You know, we got a bunch of the old 5150s from back in the day.
They're
and the
amazing amps.
6505s.
It's a classic metal amp, I guess.
It is, you know.
I don't know if Eddie designed it to kind of get that sound, but it's perfect for it.
Yeah, it is. I wouldn't try to guess why Eddie did anything. So I just, you know, it's got lightning in the bottle there, so I just captured it, and it's good. So good, awesome low end, and it's just part of, you know, Rob's developed this machine head sound, and that's what, you know, we've tried every amp under the sun, every combination, every mic combination, and he's really good at finding that tone. So.
Yeah. And it's a cool one, so why mess with it, I guess.
Yeah.
And how about pedals? I mean, we've been doing some stuff here for the flashback.
Yep. Use a whole myriad of stuff. You know, we've gone through the Fractals, we've gone through the Kempers, and we've gone through the everything. And I'm digging a lot of the pedals, so I use, you know, some flangers, some chorusing. Use the Nova Delay.
Yeah.
I'm digging this looper that we just checked out. But this flashback, this tone print is awesome.
That's cool.
Man. So we use, we were just talking about the electric mixers before too, and I don't know if I should talk about other pedals.
Oh, no, that's fine. That's fine. We know. Unlike guitars and amps, guitar players typically use different brand pedals, and that's fine. That's our little luxury. That, you know, it's fine.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right on.
So thanks so much for taking the time to do this.
Absolutely, yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks for having me down here in your pimp ass suite here at the Hill.
Little man cave here.
I know. Feel bad for the baby who's sleeping next door.
Oh, well, the baby got a little metal.
No, it wasn't. You know, we're getting old. So.
Yeah.
Thank you guys again for everything.
Thanks so much.